Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5M versus Trackhawk. We'll dive into what makes each of these high-performance SUVs unique, helping you decide which one best suits your driving style and needs. Both vehicles offer incredible speed and capability, but they approach performance from very different philosophies. Let's explore their key differences and similarities to see which one truly stands out for you. When it comes to raw power, the BMW X5M is equipped with a formidable 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 617 horsepower. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 3.7 seconds. The Trackhawk, on the other hand, unleashes a monstrous 707 horsepower from its supercharged 6.2-liter V8. It can hit 60 miles per hour in an even quicker 3.5 seconds. Both are incredibly fast, but the Trackhawk offers a slight edge in sheer acceleration. Inside, the BMW X5M presents a luxurious and driver-focused environment, featuring high-end leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and a large curved display for infotainment. Its adaptive suspension ensures precise handling and a comfortable ride. The Trackhawk's interior is also well-appointed with quality materials, offering a more rugged yet comfortable feel. While both provide modern technology, the X5M leans towards refined luxury, while the Trackhawk focuses on a performance-inspired, robust cabin experience. Considering practicality, the BMW X5M offers 33.9 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats up, expanding to 72.3 cubic feet when folded. The Trackhawk provides a slightly larger 36.3 cubic feet of cargo space, which can also be expanded. Pricing for both vehicles typically starts above $100,000. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize refined luxury and handling or brute force and a more aggressive stance. Both offer incredible performance, but cater to slightly different tastes. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.